What HVAC warning signs are easy to ignore? Small changes like weak airflow, unusual noises, strange smells, uneven temperatures, short cycling, and rising energy bills can signal problems that may become expensive or unsafe. Weak airflow may mean a dirty filter, a blocked duct, or a failing blower motor, so check that vents are open and replace a dirty filter with the correct size. A rattling sound can come from a loose panel, while scraping or grinding may point to worn moving parts that need professional attention. Musty odors can suggest moisture and mold inside the system, but a burning smell should be treated more seriously by turning the system off and calling for help. If some rooms are hot or cold, the cause might be poor insulation, closed dampers, leaky ducts, or an aging system rather than a simple thermostat problem. Short cycling, which means the system turns on and off repeatedly, can waste energy and damage the equipment. A dirty filter, oversized unit, or refrigerant issue may be responsible. Rising utility bills without a major change in weather can show that the system is losing efficiency. One lesser-known warning sign is water near an indoor unit, because a clogged drain line can cause leaks, ceiling damage, or even a system shutdown. Write down when each symptom happens, check the filter monthly, and arrange an inspection before a small problem becomes an emergency. One common mistake is ignoring a strange noise because the system still works, but early repairs are usually cheaper than replacing damaged parts, so schedule service when a new noise continues. Another mistake is using a filter that is too thick or replacing it too rarely, which can restrict airflow, so follow the equipment instructions and inspect it each month. People also assume uneven temperatures always require a new system, when sealed ducts, balanced vents, or better insulation may fix the issue, so ask for a full diagnosis before approving major work. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.